Hi viewers, warm welcome on German's MATLAB coding. In this clip, we are going to address how to exercise nested if statement in MATLAB. As prerequisite, you need the understanding of clip 31 and 32. A simple if receives one logical statement. If else receives two logical statements, whereas a nested if receives multiple logical statements. That's how it is different from the other two counterparts. The syntax for nested if is shown on the screen. Here, subsequent logical statements are checked by reserved word else if. Here, as you see, if one space gap logical statement, then some MATLAB executable statement, then else if second logical statement, then some MATLAB statement, then else if logical statement, some MATLAB statement, and the last one before end terminated by else. Here we consider four logical statements, but you can extend it any number you want. Let us check on example 1. Here we have some functional definition as you see on the screen. If x less than 3, then y equals 4x. If x equals 3, then y equals 15 minus x. If x greater than 3, then y equals 5x minus 3. Otherwise, y equals 2 minus x. Since multiple statements are there, we cannot write in one line the whole statements. It will be very clumsy in command window. So you put the code in a script file or M file, then you can run the file. Since we have to test the program by some value of x, that's why we put 3 to x. Then in the second line, if logical statement which is x less than 3, after that the executable statement is y equals 4x. Then we have first else if or x equal to 3 equality, which incorporates y equals 15 minus x. Then next else if takes care of x greater than 3, and for that the executable statement is y equals 5x minus 3, whose code you see on the screen. And after that you have the else, which should consider y equals 2 minus x, and that is terminated by end. Save the file, run the file. If your coding is successful, you must see y content as 12. Why 12? Because x equals 3 associated with the first else if, and 15 minus 3, which is 12, and that is what you see as the output. In example 2, we have to take the decision of the letter grade of a student's SIP mark X. The grading policy or distribution is as follows: X greater than 80, letter grade is A; X between 70 and 80, letter grade is B; X between 60 and 70, letter grade is C; X between 50 and 60, letter grade is D; otherwise grade is F. Here the if will incorporate x greater than 80. First else if will incorporate x between 70 and 80. Second else if will incorporate x between 60 and 70. Third else if will incorporate x between 50 and 60. And otherwise will be incorporated by else, as you see on the screen. Since we have to test the program with some number, that's why arbitrarily we choose 66 and that we assign to x before the program. If you run your file after saving, you must see the return as C, because x66 belongs to second else if. By the way, any character we assign under single inverted quote, and that's what we did for the assignment of different letters to workspace variable G. Alright, guys, thanks for sticking around. Please keep us motivated by sharing, liking, and subscribing our contents. I hope to see you in next clip. Bye for today.